if the angle of CEF is 42, CEF, so it means this one is 42 degrees. Angle of FCE is 124. Find the angle of the DFE. I'm going to make it as A here. And then ADF, this one is B. Alright, for the A here, if I want to redraw it, so you will have this one here. This one is A, this one is 42, this one is 124 degree. Alright, we call it as exterior triangle theorem. Exterior triangle theorem atau apa ya? Hold on here. Here you go. Which one? Nah, this one. Exterior angle theorem. If we have a triangle here, we just need to plus the other two angles. We need to plus 124 degree plus with 42. Then you will get A. So the A here is going to be 166. Miss, may I just finding this angle first? After that, I've minus it with 180. Yes, you may use that as long as you show the working completely, so I can see your working. So it means your answer is correct. Move on to number B now. Number 12B now. Here guys, I want to make another color using blue color. Still remember the alternate angle. If we have a zigzag, this one is A, so this angle is going to be A. And if I redraw it, hold on. Redraw it, we have this one is B, this one is 124, right? Look. Okay, can you recognize it? So B is going to be 124 by alternate angles. Finish for number 12. Don't forget to square the final answer. Move on to number 13. Here you go guys. For this geometrical construction, I need you to prepare the ruler, the protractor, the compass, the pencil, eraser. If you need to construct the triangle ABC, where BC is equals to 12, AC 5 cm, and BAC is 50 degrees, at first you need to make a line BC is equals to 12, and then after that pay attention to the angles here. You have BAC. Last time I think it's I already changed it, yeah. BCA, yeah. BCA is equals to 50. During a lesson, I think I already changed it into BCA, angle BCA, right? The BCA here, it's 50 degree. BCA, so it means your angle is in the point C. Don't forget to put your protractor. I'm going to draw the protractor here. So put the protractor. I think it's better to use green color. Just make sure this one is protractor, yeah. Okay. Just put your C exactly in the center of your protractor. Then this one is 0. You need to check it again. Is your 0 here is outer scale or inner scale? You have two scales, right, in your protractor. If the 0 is in the outer scale, so it means you need to use the outer scale until you got 50 here. Mark the points. After that, remove your protractor. Then continue to connect this point C to your mark point when you got 50 degree. After that, extend it guys. Extend the line using a ruler, please. Using a ruler. Let's extend. like this. After that, you have BC is equals to 12. Okay, and then AC is equals to 5 centimeter, right? So you only need to extend it until 5 centimeter. Oh, means 5 centimeter using a ruler, yeah guys. 5 centimeter is only up to this point. Okay, so you just marked it, then continue connect the point B to your marked point. Then you got ABC triangle. Finish, guys. Now move on to A. This one is not to scale, yeah. I need you to draw it to scale using a protractor, ruler, and compass. Not to scale. Move on to A. Measure the length of AB. Okay, measure the length of AB. So use a ruler and measure this one. Measure this line. Okay. Continue. B. Construct angle bisector of CAB such that it cut at CB at T. Okay. You need to make a angle bisector. I'm going to use the red color here. At first, I need you to take your compass. In compass, you will have two legs here, right? Two sides. The first one is your pencil, and then the second one is the needles. Put the needles and separate them in between the needles and the pencil between 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter to 5. But I think it's better for you to leave it in 3 because of AC here. The AC it's a 5, right? The AC it's 5. It's better for you to separate the needles and pencil more than a half of AC. I'm going to take it as a 3. Then put your needles in A, at A. After that, make an arc in AC, then NAB. Make an arc in AC and AB. Okay. After that, with the same radius, with the same compass, do not change the radius again, yeah. Do not change the distance between the pencil and needles. After that, put your needles in, I'm going to make it as X and Y, yeah. Put the needle at X point and mark the angle, mark the arc, draw the arc in this, and then put your needle, please do it the same. Put your needle on Y, then mark it and use the arc there. Then you got the intersection point. For example, this one. Then the intersection point, keep your protector. Now I need you take the ruler from A to the mark point. Make a line until cutting the BC. Cutting line BC. After that, don't forget, you need to label the intersection point between the angle bisector line with BC as T, point T. We finish with number 13B. Move on to number C. Measure the angle of ATB. Okay, ATB, it's going to be this one. I'm going to use a blue color. ATB. Please use a protector to find it. Alright, you can do it by yourself, right? Move on to number 14. We need to find the area of parallelogram. In parallelogram, the area formula is going to be base times height. The base times height, the base and height is always perpendicular each other. we will have DC and AQ as a height and base, but in AQ here it's still unknown, right? There is no number here, so we cannot use this. We have to identify the other one, which is we have AP and BC. So yeah, it's already given by the questions, means AP is 19, and then BC, there is no BC, means it's parallelogram, guys. So you only need to copy and paste the number 14 here, so you will have the same BC and AD. You will have 14 for the base, and then the height is going to be 19. So 14 multiplied by 19 is going to be 80 minus 66 centimeters square. Finish. Centimeter, remember. Move on to perimeter now. If we want to find the perimeter of the figures, remember, just ignore the lines inside the figures. Yeah, last time I saw that from your assignment, you also plus it with the height of the parallelogram. No need to, guys. As we have a parallelogram ABCD, so it means you only need to plus the AB with BC, with CD, and DA, which is we are going to have 20, 14, 20, and 14. No need to plus it with 19. 19 is the height. You can use it for the area. For the perimeter, it's useless. Move on to this, then you will have 68. Finish. This one is centimeter only, not square. Yeah? If we talk about the perimeter, it's centimeter only. Move on to number 15. A soccer field 25 meter by 40 meter is covered by a grass square of side 20 centimeter. How many grass square are needed? Okay, so you need to find the area of the soccer field. Area of soccer field. It's 25 multiplied by 40. Then it is going to be 1,000. Right, 1,000 meters square. Then you will have the area of a grass square. It means you will have, it is a square, right? So 20 multiplied by 20, even though you only have one side. It's a square, so it means the other side is going to be 20 as well. So you will have 400 here, centimeter square. If you want to find number of the tiles, you need to make it into the same unit. Yeah, you need to convert it into centimeter. If you want to do it in meters, it's also okay. But I'm going to use the centimeter square. In meter to centimeter, you need to go down. And then since this one is a square unit, so every goes down, every jumps, you need to multiply it with 100. So you will have 1,000 multiply 100 multiply 100. So how many zero do we have here? 7. Okay, 1 0 0 0 0 0. Oh, hold on. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 10 million then. Centimeter square. If you want to find the number of grass square, number of tiles, you only need to divide this 10 million by 400. Cross 100 divided by 4, it's 25. Then you will have 25,000 tiles. Finish. For number 15. Move on to number 16. The land of 45 kilometer square is sold at a price $3,500 per hectare. How much does it cost? Okay, we have kilometer first, right? Then you sold it in hectare, so it means you need to convert it to hectare, guys. Remember, the hectare is hectometer hectometer square, right? So at first you have kilometer and hectometer. Kilometer to hectometer, you need to go down once only, so multiply it with 100. So 45 kilometer square, it is going to be 45, multiply it with 100 hectare or hectometer square. So you will have 4500 hectare. If you have 4,500 hectare, and if the price is 3,500 per hectare, you only need to find the total cost by multiply your area with the money. So total cost equals to 3,500 multiply 4,500. You have 40, and then after that 35 multiplied by 45. Okay, hold on. 35 multiplied by 45, it's 1,575. Oh, so $15,750,000. Wow, a lot of money here. Right. Move on to number 17. A square base prism with the dimension is 14 by 14 by 20. The prism is cut into 2 centimeter cubes. Remember, if you have a cube, so every side is 2 centimeter, okay? How many cubes can be cut from the prism? Alright, so we need to find the volume of the big prism. It's 14 multiply 14 multiply 20. It is going to be multiply 20. So 3,920 centimeter cube. And you need to find the volume of the small cubes. You will have to multiply 2 multiply 2. So you will have 8 here. Or guys, if you want to find the number of cubes, you just need to do the cross here, so you don't have a big number here. Cross 7, cross 7, cross 10. It's better for you to use this for 90. Finish. Cubes. Sorry, you may use this, but it was in time. Right, move on to this one. Number 5. Find the total surface area of the all identical cubes. Alright, surface area of the cube first. 1 cube. It means you will have 6 faces of the square, right? So side times sides. So 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, it is going to be 24. Now, how many cubes do we have here? It's for 90 cubes, miss. Alright, so for every cube you have 24. It means if you want to find a surface area of 490 cubes, you only need to multiply 490 with 24. Is my counting correct? So 490 multiply 24. 11,760 centimeter square. Finish. For number 17B. Move on to number 18. The following pie chart show the favorite ice cream flavor. Okay, I think it's not finished yet. I'm going to make a pie chart here. Alright, this one is chocolate, this one is mint, this one is green tea, we have salted caramel, yeah. Green tea-nya dikit aja ya. Oh, this one is salted caramel aja. Salted caramel. I like salted caramel. Okay, after that we have cherry and flavor cherry. Right. This one is 90. This one is 72. This one is 90, not 90, 88. Alright, if you want to find, here, I'm going to repeat you. The following pie chart shows the favorite ice cream flavor. If the total respondent is 120 respondents, find the number of respondents who like cherry and number of respondents who like salted caramel. Okay. Last time we have in total 120 respondents, right? 120 respondents, it means you will have 360 degree is equals to 120 respondent. If we want to find the cherry, which is we have 88, this one you just leave it like A, then you will have a fractions, cross multiply please, so you will have 360A equals to 88 multiply by 120. A is equals to, just leave it like 88 multiply 120, you don't need to worry about it, divided by 360 ya guys. Divide by 360, 120 and 360, you can just cross it out, this one is 1, this one is 3, then you will have 88 divided by 3. Hopefully your final paper, your real paper is not this complicated ya. 29.3 degrees. Oh, respondent. Oh, nggak mungkin ya dapat 29 over 87. I think it's better. Is 87? Yes. Okay, sorry guys. I need to change it into 87. So there will be no decimal number of students here. There is no decimal respondent. This one is 73 ya. Okay, or 72 still, right? Okay, so it's 87. Sorry, I'm going to change it. The cherry is 87 degree, so 87 divided by 3, it's 29 respondent. This one is cherry. Move on to the salted caramel, SC. The SC here, we don't know yet about the angle, so we can just find it using 360 minus 90, because of the chocolate here is a right angle, minus it with 87, minus it with 72. So it is going to be 87 minus it with 72. Oh, why is it negative again? 71, I think. Hold on. Maybe I'm going to make it into 71. I just take the random number ya guys. Lost it with 1. 112. Is it possible for us to 111? Divided by 3. Oh, sorry guys. We don't need to make it into 71. Just leave it as 72. Right, so we have 111 degree. So the 111 degree, if you want to find the respondent, please do it the same like before. So this one is 111 degree. 360 is equals to 120 respondent, and then this one is 111. How many respondent? do the cross multiplication, then you will have FC is equals to 120 multiply 111 divided by 360. Cross 3 and 1, then you will get 37 respondent. Finish.